Chapter 2. Kinds of sentences and their functions. There are 5 different kinds of sentences. Sentences and their functions. Types of sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory. Assertive gives statement, interrogative shows question, imperative shows command or request, optative shows desire or prayer, exclamatory shows emotion. Statement, question, command or request, desire or prayer, emotion. Now see the following chart. Kinds of sentences, examples, functions. Assertive sentence, example, Uma is a good girl. Its function is that of a statement. Interrogative sentence, example, is she going to school? Its function is that of a question. Imperative sentence, example, open the window. Its function is a command. Optative sentence, example, may you be happy. Its function is that of a desire. Exclamatory sentence, hurrah! We have got a rainy day. Its function is that of an emotion. Note: in English, each type of sentences and the first line in case of a poem start with a capital letter. It is important to remember that the assertive, imperative and optative sentence end with a full stop, whereas the interrogative sentence with a note of interrogation and the exclamatory sentences with a note of exclamation. These 5 types of sentences are again divided into 2 types. 1. Affirmative. 2. Negative. So let's now see kinds of sentences, affirmative and negative. Assertive, affirmative. He is an Indian citizen. Assertive, negative. He is not an Indian citizen. Interrogative, affirmative. Does he take tea? Interrogative, negative. Does he not take tea? Imperative, affirmative. Sit down on the chair. Imperative, negative. Do not sit down on the chair. Optative, affirmative. May he prosper in life. Optative, negative. May he not prosper in life. Exclamatory, affirmative. Hurrah! We have succeeded at last. Exclamatory, negative. Alas! We have not succeeded at last. Sentence pattern. 1. Assertive sentence pattern. About 80% of sentences in English are of assertive pattern. The rules of arrangement of such sentences are subject, verb, object or complement, or adverbials. Subject, he, verb, is, object or complement, a student. Subject, Professor Das, verb, cancelled, object or complement, our class, adverbials or preposition and other words, yesterday. Subject, there, verb, were, many students, object or complement, in the classroom, adverbials or preposition and other words. Subject, Saurav, verb, plays, object or complement, cricket, adverbials or preposition and other words, at the Edens. 2. Imperative sentence pattern. In imperative sentences, the subject you is omitted. Hence the verb comes first and the remaining part is the same as the assertive sentence. The rules of arrangement of such sentences are verb, object or complement, or adverbials. Pattern A and pattern B. Let's first see pattern A. Verb and then object, what or whom. Read the book. Write a letter. Shut the door. Give me a glass of water. Pattern B. Verb and where. Come here. Go there. Walk to the door. Run across the field. As the subject is always you and nothing else, it is omitted in the imperative sentence. However, the adverb please or kindly comes first in the imperative in order to denote a polite request. Please sit down. Kindly give me a glass of water. Three. Interrogative sentence pattern. 3 rules of forming interrogative sentences. 1. The verb be and its forms is, am, are, was, were. Have and its forms has, have, had. Shall, should, will, would, can, could, may, might, etc. are placed before the subject in an interrogative sentence. Verb, subject, object or complement or adverbials. Assertive. Kim is your brother. Interrogative. Is Kim your brother? Assertive. He has got a bad tooth. Interrogative. Has he got a bad tooth? Assertive. He will pull out the bad tooth. Interrogative. Will he pull out the bad tooth? Assertive. The girl is dancing in the hall. Interrogative. Is the girl dancing in the hall? 2. The verb do, does, did is placed before the subject in absence of the above listed verbs. Do, subject, verb, then comes object or complement or adverbials. Do you play football every day? Does Mala do her home task every day? Do you write a letter to your father? 3. Wh-word comes first, if necessary, in both the above-mentioned types of interrogative sentences. Wh-word plus interrogative pattern. Who are you? Whose book is this? Whom do you want? Which is your pen? What are you doing? When do you eat? Where does he live? In. In is implied but not asked. Why do you come here? How does he write? How many sisters have you? How much milk do you want? 4. Optative sentence pattern. An optative sentence denotes wish or prayer. The rules of forming such an optative sentence are: may plus assertive makes optative. May you live long. May God bless you is a blessing. May the sky break down upon you, cursing. Sometimes may is omitted. Long live the king means may the king live long. 5. Exclamatory sentence pattern. An exclamatory sentence is used to express sudden emotion of joy, sorrow, wonder, etc. Such sentences are formed in two ways. One, by using alas, hurrah, ah, etc. Alas or hurrah, etc. plus assertive makes exclamatory. Alas, the man is dead. Hurrah, we have won the match. Hush, the man is asleep. Fie, you are a liar. Hello, you are Amal, I see. 2. By using what, how, etc. What or how plus subject plus verb. What a nice bird it is. What a wonderful land it is. How happy you are. How cold it is today. Note, the verb is placed before the subject in an interrogative sentence with what or how, but the verb is placed after the subject in exclamatory sentence with what or how. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.